dog that I really love. It makes really good sounds. Let's get started. This is what it does. Okay, that's done. Now that's done. Sounds like a siren, but this is the thing that I really love. Hang on, let me move it back a little bit. It's gonna move, man. Hang on, let me scoot back. Hang on. I want to see it. Okay. Nope. Okay, that's what it does. Everybody, make sure to like and subscribe. If you really like this video, please like the video. Bye-bye.